Here we have a one-bed apartment on the 3rd floor of Cutlers Court. We've got the entrance hall here. And then to the left, we've got a large storage cupboard. And then we've got a bathroom. And then the bedroom. The bedroom comes complete with fitted wardrobes. Then got the living area and the kitchen. The kitchen comes with all integrated appliances.